GHAREEB's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a new topic. Today we will talk about sources of information for health and safety. What are the sources of information? How many are there? Why do we have different sources of information? Why do we even need these sources of information? Well, basically we need them to first identify weaknesses in the current arrangements within the organization, to better manage risks in the organization, protect all employees and all visitors, everybody that is affected by our work in the organization. Also to measure our own performance against our set policies and goals, and to measure ourselves in the market against competitors. So sources of information, basically we have internal sources of information and we have external sources of information. The internal are collected from within the organization itself, just like we'll talk about in the next minute. And the external are from outside, and we use them for our own benefit. So hopefully this is going to be a beneficial video. Let's get right into it. Internal sources of information. These information are collected from sources within the organization itself. So we don't have to go outside and bring anything else. From within the organization, we have information such as accidents, incidents, ill health data, accident reports, absence and presence records, internal audits, completed inspections. We have completed maintenance, preventative maintenance records. Also, we can use the required training records and the completed training records. This way we will know where the weaknesses are in the safety management system and what actions need to be taken from within the organization to make the health and safety management system better and to achieve better compliance. External sources of information. These sources are from outside the organization, and organizations, companies, they use these sources from outside and they bring them inside their organization to make their health and safety management system better and achieve better compliance and have a better safety culture within their own organization. So we start off by mentioning the International Labor Organization, ILO. We have the Health and Safety Executive, HSE, in the United Kingdom, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration in the United States of America, WorkSafe within Western Australia, and you have British, European, and international standards. These can be used by European countries and internationally as well, and of course within the United Kingdom. We also have national legislation, so it depends on the country in which you work and or live. So you have to be aware of the legislation within that specific country or region. So you have a country and you have a region. So every state, every region, every province may be different from another. Also you have manufacturers' data. This is very important and it should not be skipped. Whenever you have information or you have a problem within one piece of machinery, it's always best to go back to the manufacturer and read the instructions manual and learn more about it. IT sources, trade associations, experts in the field in which you need information. Also magazines and safety related publications from verified and trusted sources. So this covers the topic of today, which is sources of information. We talked about the internal and the external. Hopefully it was beneficial.